I need the racks like a bimbo. Serving niggas out the window. Have a 9-3 kids with a hustle with your mendo. Had to get it off the mental. Had to move with the intellect. Cause niggas want me back in that paddy wagon, but I won't let them in, no, sir. I gotta watch my tempo. Stepper, 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 only stepping for a check. Stepper, 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 gotta step on niggas.
What is good, y'all? Back with another bank video. Got the Paul Ritchie watch at home. Oh man, tonight's gonna be a long night. Filling up the gas, $23. You know me, I'm cheap, so only put $25 in the gallon. But by the time we come now, we are about to get another tattoo. I'm going to finish my sleeve, or at least try to finish my sleeve today, because it's past due. So this whole arm, possibly, or if not top and bottom, only top is going to be full. But pretty excited. I got a good hour drive, and my tattoo artist has a canceled appointment, so I said go fit me in, because I'm a very, very impulsive person, and I'm playing that good E40 today. Dropped my Monster. This video is sponsored by, Monster and Core Water. So let's get out of here. We got a good hike, at least about a good hour and 30-minute drive to Chatsworth, California. I am coming from, not telling where I come from, because I ain't snitching myself and telling me where I stay at. But that's nice though. This man, the homeless man with the dog over there, is helping out this lady with a Tesla pump her gas. Alright, y'all, so we just got here. I'm not gonna lie, the nerves is kicking in. I don't know why I'm nervous. Tattoos usually don't hurt, but my hand tattoo, I'm not gonna lie, was the worst pain in my life I've ever encountered for like 2.5 hours straight, because I was gonna stop with that damn tattoo. There was no, because if I stop, I'm not about to finish it. That hand tats hurt. So just got here right now. He has a RT Durango. That thing is looking crazy. He just did his hood wrap, and just like that, you see the orange thing. It's in what today. Almost fucking crashed my car because I was trying to go avoid somebody. But you got the Honda right here, and you got the Durango. I ain't gonna lie, these Durangos expensive as hell, but they do look good, man. We finna get up in here. I bet you see them on camera right there. Awkward as hell, but. Yeah, those two, I'm telling the lights is on. But yeah, we gon' go see what's up.
I want to get airbags, bro. I want one of my best friend.
Yeah.
He's the vice president from San Diego. He's getting airbags in 16.
Oh shit. Yeah, but bags make a huge difference though.
Why?
It's like no, it's like looks wise is crazy.
Oh, looks wise. Looks wise is, bro. You can turn that bitch on, boom, boom.
Yeah, while driving too, it's like.
I never been in a car while driving with bags.
That's crazy.
Do you feel every?
Yeah. No,
yeah, that's the thing. Where
that's one thing, cause mom, I'm on a D2 race spring, so I'm on the lowest springs you can get 4 bags. So I'm probably like on the ground all damn day.
Yeah, and I'm a big person, so the moment you sit down, it's like whoop. The difference out of the and everything we spoke about, the marathon, the 110, and the stuff, those 3 pieces can fit together to be as one piece.
Yeah.
MC, and I'm gonna do F for freeway.
Yeah.
Or you can do TMC freeway over here. You see? I think the double would be put in the middle. That way it divides 110 from the other one. Because the flags have a rectangular shape.
Yeah.
The other one has like a square shape.
Yeah.
So this would just divide them. Whether you want to do it here or whether you want to stay here. If you want to start here, I would suggest doing the writing like A, L, E, X. But it'll be more like block letters. I still think it looks better a lot here.
Yeah, I'm doing that way.
And then from there you can just have the dub like it's coming behind the writing.
Yeah.
Now my question is, right? What do you want to get started on today? I'll tell you. I'm just asking. Me, I have all night, bro.
Yeah.
I have all night on me. But at the same time, I want to know where you want to get started. Would you want to get started maybe on the writing and outlining the dub?
Yeah.
Would you want to get started on the writing and outlining something else?
So you're making it smaller?
No, I'm just gonna put it again.
I definitely have to go shave my my other arm tonight. This is it, alright. Back at it we go.
So what's that on top of the microphone?
Yeah, it's a microphone.
So you can control it from your phone?
Oh yeah, but the camera dead now, so I'm just recording my phone now.
Cool.
Yeah.
Technology nowadays, huh?
Crazy, you can do a lot to it.
Huh?
Oh, with technology now, you can do like anything really.
Seriously.
That's the part that's gonna hurt me. That's crazy. Oh yeah, I was watching Kevin's Hart new thing on Netflix right now.
Which one? Love Story?
Yeah,
Something like that? I haven't seen that. Or Fatherhood or something like that.
yeah, this is my first time seeing it. I'm on the first episode still. All wrapped up. That feels a whole lot better than yeah. Well, can't drive my right arm tonight.
Oh, sure, man.
Alright, y'all, so it is obviously daytime now, so that means it's a whole new day. I have to go put up my gas tank. Okay, it's a whole new day. Hand, arm is fully inked up right now. Last night, I was trying to show you on my phone because the camera died on the thing, but yeah, man, he did his thing, man. Shout out to Omar again. I'm gonna put his Instagram, his store, his shop's address, all that in the description, and you'll see his Instagram for his personal and his shop Instagram on the screen. But yeah, I'm getting gas right now. Long day. The car is looking mighty magnificente, man. So I can't wait to finish the bottom piece, this part of my arm. So the top part is already done. So I'm gonna go back and do more, just a little more shading. I'll go add the vines and my last name and a mural of the downtown LA skyscraper. So yeah, that's all I got left, and then I can get started on this arm right here, because you know the Paul Ritchie is still gonna stand out from my next hand tat. And man, I'm finna be tatted. Oh shit, that's right there. Yeah, so I'm finna be pretty tatted up if you ask me, man. The watch is in the Lambeezy, man. You feel me? The carbon fiber. You know, already know what car, man. I'm in the Urizi, I think it's called. Urizi. And you know, it's in my favorite color, the orange too. I think now, ever since I had this tattoo for less than 24 hours, I think I have to get a watch put on this hand too. So, Paul Rich, you know, I'm gonna be rocking 2 watches now.
That's a Paul Rich? I thought that was an AP, brother.
I'm not gonna lie, it looked like,
It's looking like it to me. I don't know watches that well though. I ain't no jewelry man like that. And I can't afford what you can afford, so I thought that was AP.
But you know, it's crazy. Paul Rich is having, good thing you brought that up. Paul Rich is actually having a holiday sale right now.
Oh, word. It is. What did the sale include, Sway?
It's up to 40% off, and if you use code Sway Media, you could also save a lot more. So
all they gotta do is say Sway Media to get more.
Yeah,
money off.
Yeah. So in the coupon thing below, use this nigga.
So all they gotta do is click that link below in the description.
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, that's it. It's the first link because I got big deals. This is coming my way. This is when I dropped my phone. I can't get my phone back. Hold on, where? Damn, I need my phone. I don't know. I'll get my phone back. But yeah, this. Damn, you can't even see it. But yeah, I woke up with a sleeve. It's technically.
I'll open the sunroof for you, brother.
Thank you.
Get some light.
It's not a full sleeve yet. It's not done.
That TMC is heavy though.
I had to get that.
R.I.P. Nip.
Yeah, that's the first thing. So the Dove, and then obviously I grew up off the 110 freeway, so my whole life. So I ain't telling y'all where my people live at, but yeah. So I still have to get my last name on the right side over there, covered in vines, and then a mural on the bottom part. So I still have a whole lot way to go. Yeah, but look what we got over here. If you know me, then you know.
We're going to shop.
I used to like drinking alcohol, but not no more because I've had a few close calls where
you just took a shot today, brother.
I took a shot where? What shot did I take?
Right before you turn on this camera.
I took a shot at life, but I'm not drinking. But we're playing pool, so since
we're not playing pool, you're just losing.
Since I'm putting up video every day, I don't have anybody else to film for today, so I'm going to use this for the rest of the video. It's easy, 5 down to the corner. Easy and
pressure's on, Sway.
Now, why you have to talk?
15 corner right there.
You wish, you guys. Like, you know what I'm doing? Combo. Nope, I'm just going for the 5 ball. 5 corner. Oh my God.
Damn, Sway. I'm gonna go up to 12 off the outside.
At least I got my ball though. I made it. 12 off the real side, right?
12 off the real side, yeah. That was just
Worst shot.
Off the real side, corner.
See, I think you nervous because the camera on now.
Pick. You got to pick, sir.
Bro, it's 8 sides. They're both easy to pick. Fine, 8 corner. I feel like.
Because you're hoping I'll scratch with the 8 corner.
I know you have a good chance going. Well, y'all, I lost.
Another one. This time, let's play last pocket.
Nah, this 8 minutes long. This is all I need to fill the whole video. Well, y'all, as you see, by the time I'm done, I got my hand tattoo. Not hand tattoo, but my hand tattoo is pretty much still fresh.
Tattoos crispy, no?
Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah. Sleeve is coming along cool. So I have to go back to the bottom part. My last name is going on that side with tree vines and then a mural on the bottom. So that's it. And then this, ain't gonna lie, that elbow part killed the fuck out of me. Well, it's not an elbow, but there's close to the flag. The whole flag killed me. But
the whole flag, huh?
The flag, man. If you want to get tattooed, don't go close to the elbow or where the flag is at. It motherfucker hurt. That single needle, man, when he would draw these damn lines in the flag. So that's all I tell y'all. I'm getting the fuck out of here. So like, comment, subscribe, and share it with aunts, uncles, little cousin, and nephew that's not even born yet. Go share it with your little niece. Tell her little auntie. Tell her auntie's friends, cousin, little nephew to like the video. Comment. And catch you in the next video.
If you ain't really with me, nigga, say that. If she fronted on me, then she could stay back. I'm Zariga in the end and we don't play that. Surf tatted on my hand and I'ma stay there. I'm tryna put my mama in the Maybach. I'ma shit on every place I used to slave at. Got me out here really looking for some payback. Got me out here really looking for the payback. Every song's free to way. Cause that nigga paid the way. Niggas mimicking the city I was raised. Hold on without no homage getting paid. I mix the fruity pebbles with the hit though. Still up on that block but also indoor. Ever since I got it popping like a pimple. Everybody tryna be a nigga friend, no. Circle tighter than the last time. Family questioning my lifestyle. Think my head is swelling cause I'm iced out. Ask me how I sleep, said what the lights out. Ex text me how I sleep, said what the lights off. Tryna get in a position, can't take nights off. I can shower shit and sleep, won't take the ice off. Constant reminder just to never set my sights off. If you ain't really with me, nigga, say that. If she fronted on me, then she could stay back. I'm Zariga in the end and we don't play that. Shut tatted on my hand and I'ma stay there. I'm tryna put my mama in the Maybach. I'ma shit on every place I used to slave at. Got me out here really looking for some payback.